Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the file you will send. Open WhatsApp and the specific chat so you're ready to attach. This saves time. Next, find the image in Photos, Gallery, or Files. If the photo is hike or PNG and you need a JPG, convert it now so WhatsApp doesn't recompress unexpectedly. Converting before sending preserves quality and file name. Once done, tap the attachment icon in the chat to begin the send flow. Now attach the image correctly. Tap the paperclip or plus sign in the chat. Choose Document to send the original JPG file without WhatsApp recompression, which keeps quality and metadata. Alternatively, select Gallery or Photos and pick Export or Save as JPG before sending if you need a different size. Preview the file so you confirm it's the JPG version, add a short caption if you want context, and make sure the recipient is correct before you hit send. Finish by tapping Send and watch for the single tick, Sent, and double tick, Delivered to confirm success. If the file fails due to size limits, compress the image slightly or upload the JPG to a cloud drive and share the link instead. This avoids aggressive recompression. If the recipient sees a different format, resend using the document option or convert the file explicitly to JPG and repeat the attached steps. If problems persist, restart WhatsApp and retry to clear transient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.